Woodturning for me is a way of getting in touch with the wood quickly. Being able to pick up a piece of wood, see the shape of a bowl in there, cut off all the excess material, put it on the lathe, grab the tools that I need until there's a finished bowl there. And that's what really attracts me to turning. Something about as that tool travels over the wood and with little effort, because of the sharpness of the tip, and those shavings just go flying off the tool. It's just a moment of magic. The work that you do is heavily influenced by the tools you use. So if you've got really good sharp tools, you'll be able to work with greater ease and you'll be able to produce a better product in the end. In recent years, I have been using predominantly Crown tools. Some of the high-speed steel ones, but mainly the cryogenics. And when I was asked to have a try of the M42 series, which is the top of the line series, I thought, well, the cryogenics have been doing quite well for me thus far. The moment I put the M42 tool to the wood and I felt the ease with which it cut and the shavings that came off and the clean finish on the wood, I knew these are special. So you might wonder, what's the difference between a cryogenic and the M42? Again, it's the structure of the steel and the hard wearing nature of the steel and how sharp an edge you can get. These can be sharpened to a razor sharp edge, which, as you know, the sharper the edge of the tool, the better the quality of the cut will be.